Let's look at this question here. So here is another second order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. Of course, it's non-homogeneous because the second order ordinary differential equation is equated to what there? A function. And this function is what there? A polynomial. It gives you an idea of what the particular solution would look like. We said for cases like this that we know that the general solution y will be equal to what there? Yc, the complementary solution, plus yp, the particular solution. First things first, let's get complementary solution. So for complementary solution, for complementary solution, what's the task here? What do you do? We said equate the second order differential equation to 0. So I'll have that d squared y over dx squared minus 6 dy dx plus 9y is equal to 0. Equal this to 0. What next? Remember how we solved this from our previous classes? We said y should be equal to what there? Exponential mx. Find y prime, y prime prime. Y prime will be equal to, differentiate this, you have what there? M exponential mx. Again, we said the simple idea is to focus on the part. For the differentiation of exponential terms, focus on the part. The part here is mx. If I differentiate mx, that's a constant and x. It gives you that constant, which in this case is m. Use m to multiply this, it becomes m exponential mx. Also, y prime prime is equal to, differentiate this, what do you get? Now, for this, the task would be, this is a constant, so don't bother about it. Focus on exponential mx. If I to differentiate exponential mx, focus on the part. If I differentiate mx, it gives you m. Use m to multiply this. M times m gives you m squared exponential mx. You have this. All right, you have this. We'll substitute this into this one here. Substituting. If I substitute, what do I get? This is something as y prime prime. So this becomes m squared exponential mx, okay, minus 6. So minus 6 into, this is something as dy dx, or y prime, which is m exponential mx plus 9 into y. Y is exponential mx. It's equal to 0. Let's expand this. This gives you m squared exponential mx minus this and this 6m exponential mx plus 9 times this 9 exponential mx. It's equal to 0. Okay, let's factorize mx. So take off mx from here, take off exponential mx from here, take off exponential mx from here, take off exponential mx from here. What I left it here? M squared minus 6m plus 9. This into exponential mx. That's factorizing. It's equal to 0. I have this. Here I have an auxiliary quadratic equation. How do I solve this? Well, for this, all we have to do is pick up the auxiliary quadratic equation. This is m squared minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. Please solve this. Punch your calculator here. M1 is equal to what there? 3. What about M2? All right, so we have repeated or equal or coincidental roots. Okay. So I'm having this as 3 and 3. If I solve this quadratic equation, so what would be the linearly independent solution? the linearly independent solution is given by y1 is equal to exponential m1x. What's m1? 3. 3x, that's m1x, and y2 is equal to exponential m2x. What's m2? 3. So it becomes 3x. So I have this. So I have this for equal roots. What's now be the complementary solution? The complementary solution. Now this would always change depending on the kind of root. For equal roots, you have that yc is equal to c1 times y1. What's y1? Exponential 3x plus c2x. So c2x, you add the x here because you're having equal roots. So c2x, then y2. What's y2 there? Exponential 3x. So you have this. Basically, I have got my complementary solution. Let's now get the particular solution. So we're having this one here. Let's now get the particular solution. For particular solution, for particular solution, what do you have there? Yp. So yp equal to, now your first task is to form the form of your particular equation. Now the first thing you want to notice that what I have here is a polynomial, and the degree is what there? 3. What is the form? What is the general form of a polynomial of degree 3? What's the general form? General form is that you're having ax to the power what there? 3 plus, bring a constant b, reduce this power x squared, reduce by 1, bring another constant plus c, reduce this by 1 x, plus bring your final constant, that becomes b. So that's it. So this is what you have. All right, it is this one because what I have here is a polynomial raised to particular power. Again, if this was exponential, this would not count. It would have been something different. If this was a trig function, I would have something different. So it changes depending on what you have there. But this is what we have for this polynomial. My next task will be to find the value of what there? Yp prime. That's differentiate this. What's yp prime? What do you have there? Multiply this. What do you have here? Multiply by the power 3ax, subtract 1, 2, plus multiply by the power 2bx, subtract 1, 1, plus differentiate cx, gives you what there? C, constant b0, it's off. Let's get yp prime prime. That means differentiate this one here. Differentiate this. 2 times 3 gives you what there? 6ax. 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus differentiate 2b. Differentiate 2bx gives you what there? 2b. That's a constant 2b. Differentiate constant gives you what there? 0. So I have this. Alright, so we are now at this juncture. At this point, what next? I will substitute this one into what there? The given function, and equate to what there? X cubed. All right, let's get that done. I'm taking all of this out. All right, so let's get this done. Please check. Give me the differential equation again. It was the squared over the x squared, right? That the squared y over the x squared is something as what there? Y prime prime of p. So when you have the squared y over the x squared, that's this value. Put this value there. Because that's your second derivative, y prime prime. So it becomes 6ax plus 2b. What's next in there? Minus 6 into what there? dy dx. dy dx is your first differential. In this case, what's the first differential here? Y prime of p. And that's what there? Give me what you have there. 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. Okay, what's next you have there? Plus 9 into y. Y is, in this case, for particular solution, we're using this one here. What do you have there? Ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. This is equal to what there? It's equal to x cubed. So this was equal to x cubed. That's equal to x cubed. And so if you check, you're having this squared over the x squared minus 6 dy dx plus 9y is equal to x cubed. So we have this. Let's expand this bracket. This gives you what there? 6ax plus 2b minus 6 times 3 minus 18ax squared minus 6 times plus 2 minus 12bx minus 6 times c minus 6c plus 9 times a plus 9ax cube plus 9 times b plus 9bx squared plus 9 times cx plus 9cx plus 9 times d, 9d is equal to x cubed. Okay, what next there? Collect like terms or arrange them in what there? Descending order. What's the highest power here? This one here. So I have 9ax cubed. Let's take x squared. You have this one first. Yep. Just for convenience sake, well, that still works anyways. So take this one here. You have minus 18ax squared. Give me the next x squared there. Plus 9b x squared. X squared is gone. Give me the x. Plus 6ax minus 12bx. You need that x again there. Here. Plus 9cx. That's all. Give me constants. Plus 2b. Plus 2b. This one again here. Minus 6c. Plus 9d. It's equal to x cubed. You see the way I'm underlining them? That's one of the easiest way to know the terms you've picked out and the terms you've not picked out. Right? So you see the way I underline. When I underline them, help me know the terms I've picked out and the ones I've not picked out. Right? I'm not saying you should go and underline them in your notes. If you find a way to just put a dot, something like that, to help you know the ones you've picked out and the ones you've not picked out. What do you do here now? Next thing here, you have to compare coefficients. Let me just go straight. Comparing coefficients. Comparing coefficients. What's the highest power here? X cubed. So let's start with x cubed. For x cubed, what's the coefficient of x cubed here? 9a. This is the coefficient of x cubed. 9a is equal to, what is the coefficient of x cubed here? It's equal to 1. Okay. Let's take for x squared. For x squared, what terms contain x squared? Minus 18a plus 9b. That's this. That's all the terms having x squared is equal to any x squared here? No. So it's equal to what there? 0. Call this equation 1. Call this equation 2. Let's take for x. For x, 6a. So I have 6a minus 12b minus 12b. So I'm coming. Give me a second, please. Plus 9c. It's equal to any x term there. Nope. Equal to 0. Call this 3. So there's no x term here. So look at this. Look at this. If I had this as x cubed plus, let's say, 3x squared plus 2x. If I had this would be equal to what there? 3. Why? I have a coefficient for what there? X squared. If I had this is x, assuming I had this would be equal to what there? 2. And I've had 2 here. Because for the right hand side, the coefficient of x is what there? 2. But I don't have that, so don't worry. Next up, for constants. For constants. For constant, what do you have? What's the constant term here? 2b minus 6c plus 9d. It's equal to 0. There's no constant term there. Call this 4. All right, so from here, let's get the value of a, b, c, d. From equation 1, we have that 9a is equal to what there? 1. So what's a? Just divided by 9, we have that a is equal to what there? 1 over 9. I've gotten a. Well, let's put a into 2. Put a into equation 2. From equation 2, I have minus 18a. That's minus 18a. A is what there? 1 over 9. So minus 18a plus 9b is equal to 0. Solve this. What do you have there? 9 here, 1, 9 here, what there? 2. This will give you minus 2. So minus 2 plus 9b is equal to 0. So solve this. What do you have here? Let me put this here. Okay, let me put this here. Let's see. From here, you have that 9b is equal to minus 2 comes here, becomes what there? Plus 2. So what's b here? B is equal to what there? 2 over 9. Let's put a and b. Put a, which we've gotten, and b into equation 3. From 3, what do you have there? 6a. That becomes 6 into what's a? 6a. 6 into 1 over 9 minus 12b. So minus 12 into b. What's b there? 2 over 9 plus 9c plus 9c equal to 0. This gives you 6 over 9, which is what there? 2 over 3. That's 2 over 3. What do you have here? Minus, what do you have here? This is 24 over 9. So in lowest term, what do you have there? 8 over 3 plus 9c equal to 0. Work on this two. What do you have here? 2 over 3 minus 8 over 3 is what there? Minus 6 over 3 plus 9c is equal to 0. This gives you what there? Minus 2. Yeah? Minus 2 plus 9c, it's equal to 0. Move this over here. 9c is equal to 2. So what's c here? 2 over 9. So you have this. Finally, let's put let's put b and c into 4 to get d. Put b and c. Put b and c into 4 to get d. So 4 says 2b, 2 times b. What's b there? 2 over 9 minus 6 into c. What's c there? B and c are the same value. Plus 9d. It's equal to 0. Let's solve this. I'm taking the upper part first. Taking this part off. All right. 2 times 2 over 9 gives you what there? 4 over 9. Okay. Minus. That gives you what there? 12. 2 times 2 over 9 gives you 4 over 9. Minus 6 times 2 is 12. 12 over 9 in lowest term is what there? 4 over 3. Right? Minus 4 over 3. Plus 9d is equal to 0. These two give you what there? What does it give you? Minus what? Minus 8 over 9 plus 9d equal to 0. Please everybody confirm this. Move this over here. 9d is equal to 8 over 9. How do you get d? Multiply here by 1 over 9. All right, multiply here by 1 over 9. This cancels this. Or you can say divide by 9, anyone you want to. D will be equal to what there? 8 over what there? 81. You have this. So 8 over 81 is your value. So with this now, we've gotten the value of A, B, C, D. Let's now form the particular solution. Therefore, the particular solution is YP. YP is equal to, please give me A again. What's A? 1 over 9. AX squared, right? X cubed, right? AX cubed, plus B. What's B there? 2 over 9 x squared plus C. What's C there? 2 over 9x plus D. What's D there? 8 over 81. From here, YP is equal to 1 times x cubed is x cubed over 9 plus 2 times x squared is 2x squared over 9 plus 2 times x is 2x over 9 plus 8 over 81. If you want, you can factorize this one here, right? But I don't think it's, huh? If you want, you can factorize the 1 over, you can factorize 1 over 9, right? But is there any need for it? Okay. Let's now get, we've gotten the particular solution. Let's now get the general solution. So please, let's go back and recall the complementary solution, please. I want to take this off. I want to clean, please. Taking this off. So therefore, for general solution, we said y is equal to yc plus yp. All right, so this becomes y of x. It's equal to, please give me yc. Yc is c1 exponential 3x plus c2x exponential 3x. This is for the complementary solution. Plus, give me particular solution. What do you have there? X cubed all over 9. This plus 2x squared all over 9 plus 2x all over 9 plus 8 all over 81. So you have this. So basically, yeah, what I have here now becomes the answer to that question. So I have this one here. This becomes the answer to the question. All right, so basically, this is the answer to the question, and that's how we solve the question. All right, any question, please? Any question, please?
Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.jonimanual.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description. Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.jonimanual.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description.